Hey Twinkl parents, looking for some fun, simple Easter baking? Check out these 2 simple recipes. Let's start by making Easter egg nest buns. You will need chocolate, golden syrup, butter and cornflakes. Start by melting chocolate, syrup and the butter over a pan of simmering water. Once the mixture is smooth, remove the bowl from the heat and add 12 paper bun cases to a 12-hole fairy cake tin or muffin tray. Now gently stir in the cornflakes and keep stirring until they are completely covered in chocolate. Then chill in the fridge for an hour or to completely set. The full ingredients and step-by-step instructions can be found in the links below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the Twinkl Parents YouTube channel. Making Easter egg biscuits is simple. Start by creaming together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. In a separate bowl, mix together the flour, salt and baking powder. Now, before you add the dry ingredients, add the egg and vanilla extract to the sugar and butter. Once you've done this, you can gradually add the dry ingredients. Now it's time to roll out your dough and cut out your Easter eggs, either with a cutter or a knife and template. Now it's time to put your cookies into a preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Once the cookies are cooled, you can then decorate them. There you have it, 2 simple recipes to do at home this Easter with your children.